Hello everyone. So this is day one of the road trip on the boat. This day it was just a couple of hours of fishing. I mostly just wanted to get the motor broken in, or start that process, not the full break in, and just kind of check out the new boat. So for those of you that don't know, like a new outboard motor, there's about a 10-hour period where you do a break-in process. Like every couple of hours you do this, run it at this speed. Next couple hours you run it at this speed. Different things you gotta do. So just wanted to get a couple hours knocked out, so that's pretty much what we did. And fished a little bit, so that's what you'll see. But also, I want to take this time. Videos will be out every Monday and Friday now. I gotta step my game up. But yeah, every Monday, every Friday. As you saw, I posted a video on Monday, a little walkthrough of the boat. If you haven't checked out that, go check it out. And then this one. And then day two from the road trip will be out on Monday, coming up. So, there you go. This day is just a quick little day, whatever. Nice to get out on the boat. But yeah, day two was amazing, so you'll definitely want to check out that video. It was really good. But yeah, here we go. Let's get on with the video. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Jesus.
Oh my God, are you okay? I can't believe I did that.
Ah.
I'm so sorry. I didn't think I had that much line out. You okay? Got him. Little dude. Little dude. But first one on the Wapare de Plapare. Where is the pliers? Because this is the kind that gets a hook in your finger. See what I mean? Tiny dude choked the plopper. Ooh, he's got a tail hemorrhoid.
Oh.
There we go. Little feisty little effer.
You gonna switch and bait?
Well, the first one on the boat is a real winner. Yeah, I mean you can. I got one tied on. It's on that other red rod down here. Let's move. I'll go try into the creek. I don't know. I still gotta pull this out of these sticks anyway before I start up the. Shut up. This fucking thing. See what happens. You know what? I don't like the keys up there. I just have a feeling they're gonna fall out of that little cubby. Yeah, whatever. We'll put it. Let's fucking trolling motor before we run aground.
Kneel on.
Is it a fly or a beak?
I don't know, but you want me on. I'm trying to jump into the water.
Hey, Tiny. Huh? Where's those? Congratulations. Dude, you're gonna get me, and I'm not gonna be happy. So how about you chill the fuck out? Catching the giants. Look, 10 pounder. 10 pounder. Look at that. 10 pounder. Uh-oh. I said, uh-oh. Oh, no, it's just toad around. Thought maybe I broke this thing. Yeah, go. This one might be better. Oh yeah, it's better. Still not giant. Whew. Yep, it's a little one. Still a little one. Beautiful boat flip on him.
picture?
Nah.
I was taking a video.
Alright, so there you go. Just caught like 5 on Topwater in the short time that we fished. I tried a bunch of different stuff, like that place. Okay, so never been to the lake before. Really cool lake, but never had been there before. That was the first day. It's big, especially for Colorado. It's real big. I think it's like the second biggest lake in Colorado. So, but anyway, and it's really deep. So I didn't think topwater would be a thing. Was flipping the trees and threw deep diving crankbaits and jigs and stuff, drop shot, whatever, and the real deep water. Like literally, it was, as soon as you get off the bank, it would like drop down to over 20 feet deep. So it was kind of weird, just a weird surprise throwing topwater onto a bank, and that's how we got all the bites. So, like I said, video of day 2 will be coming out on Monday, so go check that out. And that day was awesome. I don't even know how many fish we caught. I completely lost track. And a lot better fish too, so it was a good day. So be sure to check out that one, and I will see you on the next one. That one. Yeah. Bye. Click on my logo in the upper left hand corner to subscribe. In the upper right hand corner is the last video I made. In the lower right hand corner there's a video I know you'll enjoy. And make sure to hit that like button down below as well.